To fix the Cash App unexpected error, start by checking your internet connection, as a stable connection is necessary for the app to function properly. Ensure your device is connected to a strong and reliable network. Next, check for any updates for the Cash App in the App Store, as an outdated version may cause errors. If an update is available, download and install it, then try using the app again. Clearing the app's cache can also resolve the issue. To do this, go to your device's settings, find the Cash App, and select the option to clear cache and data. This will remove any temporary files that may be causing the error. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Cash App. This will remove any corrupted files and give you a fresh start. Be aware that you will need to log back into your account after reinstalling. Another step is to check your account status, as the error may be due to an issue with your account. Ensure your account is active and not suspended, and that you have sufficient funds for the transaction you are trying to make. Additionally, check for any issues with your device, such as low storage space or a full cache, as these can also cause errors. Free up some space on your device and try using the app again. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Cash App support for further assistance. They can help you identify and fix the problem, and provide additional guidance if needed. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Cash App unexpected error and get back to using the app without any issues. Remember to always keep your app and device up to date, and to monitor your account status to prevent errors from occurring in the future.